Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset PNC online banking password, tested method step by step clearly. To reset your PNC online banking password, begin by visiting the official PNC website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign On button to open the login page. Below the password entry field, find and click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to the password recovery page. Here, you'll need to enter your user ID and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After entering the required information, click on the Continue button. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. You may receive a security code via email or text message, depending on your account settings. Check your email or SMS for the security code and enter it in the specified field. Once entered, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided on the page. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After confirming, click on the Submit button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, you can return to the login page and sign in using your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.